Have you ever felt like no matter how much money you make, it just disappears? You work hard, get paid, and before you know it, your bank account is back to zero. Rent, bills, groceries, and somehow, poof, you have nothing left for savings or fun. If that sounds like you, trust me, you're not alone. But what if I told you that wealthy people use a simple, easy to follow budgeting rule that ensures they never go broke? This rule helps them pay for essentials, enjoy life, and grow their wealth all at the same time. And today I'm going to teach you exactly how to use it, step by step. This is the 50-30-20 rule, the ultimate formula for financial success. The 50-30-20 rule is a budgeting method popularized by Elizabeth Warren, a U.S. senator and financial expert. It's designed to help you manage your money wisely without overcomplicating things. Here's the breakdown. 50% of your income goes to needs. These are your absolute essentials, the things you cannot live without. Rent, mortgage, groceries, electricity, transportation, health insurance, and minimum debt payments. 30% goes to wants. This is the fun category. It includes dining out, Netflix, shopping, entertainment, gym memberships, hobbies, and vacations. 20% goes to savings and investments. This is your wealth building money. It covers savings, investing in stocks, real estate, retirement funds, and paying off debts beyond the minimum. For example, let's say you make $3,000 per month after taxes. Your budget would look like this: $1,500 for needs, rent, bills, groceries, car payment; $900 for wants, shopping, dining out, Netflix, gym; $600 for savings and investments, emergency fund, stocks, retirement. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is that it works for everyone, no matter your income level. Whether you're a college student with a part-time job, a full-time worker, or someone trying to get out of debt, this rule helps you gain control over your money instead of letting it control you. It's simple and easy to follow. It ensures you're paying your bills while still enjoying life.